Take one fresh potato. Wash it thoroughly. Peel the skin. Cut it into small cubes. Crush the potato to make a smooth paste. Now take 2 tablespoons of potato paste. Add 1 tablespoon of fuller's earth Multani mitti and 1.5 tablespoon of rose water. Mix them well. Apply this pack on your face and neck. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash off with cold water. Potato face pack can help eliminate dark spots. You can also use this pack for removing blemishes and pimples. It works well for oily skin and remove impurities from the skin. Potatoes are a natural skin lightening agent and helps clear hyperpigmentation and blemishes. Potato can provide anti-aging benefits if applied regularly. Potatoes are rich in vitamin C, which builds collagen and help improve collagen health. Potatoes also help exfoliate skin and remove dead skin cells. Simply apply grated potatoes on your face and leave it on for 10 minutes before rinsing off. Doing this regularly can help remove dead skin cells and rejuvenate your skin. Doing this regularly can help remove dead skin cells and rejuvenate your skin. Apply this grated potato around your eyes and massage it gently for a few minutes. You can also leave the mask around your eyes for 10 minutes. Wash off with cold water. Repeat this daily. Potato contains natural bleaching property that can help to lighten dark skin under your eyes, as well as prevent puffiness around your eyes. Thanks for watching.